Now come to the next question. In the next question, they are saying that there are three forms of X, Y, Z of sheet of paper. Figure X, Y, Y respectively, X, Y, and Z respectively shown two consecutive folded of the sheet, and figure Z shows the punch on the folded sheet. Choose one of the figure from the four option A, B, C, D, A, B, C, and D that is similar to the unfolded form of the sheet Z. That means in this kind of questions we have already figure is given and their foldings were also mentioned. That means after taking this figure we have to fold from this side, from that side, and after folding there will be some sort of cut, unfold, or maybe some kind of design with whatever we have to do on that. And if you unfold the figure, what kind of figure you get, this is exactly the question it is. Now if you want to understand the question number 14, in this question we have given a triangle which is first in the step number first we have to fold from the middle of the part. In the step number second we have to fold from the upper part of the triangle, and in the third part we have to do a cut of triangle in the middle of the remaining paper. Now after unfolding that paper, what kind of figure we get, we have to say we have to give the answer. So if you want to solve this question technically, so there are only two kinds. That means if you are solving the question in the upward and downward direction, so always start unfolding paper from the end. So if you start the unfolding paper from the end, you will get that in this part there will be water image, and if right or left part, so there will be an mirror image. That means mirror image. That means you have to use both the things, water image and mirror image also. But just for the knowledge, I think you should try this few questions with the cutting of paper. So let's take an example. See, I have taken the triangle which is already shown in the question. So according to that, it says that first fold the triangle from the middle. This was the first part. I have folded this from the middle. See, I have folded this part from the middle. Now this one. Now from the top also, in the second part from the top also. So from the top also I have folded, and then there's a triangle in the middle part of the triangle. Now start unfolding. Unfolding will start in the reverse order, in the same manner which you have folded from the beginning. So what will be the unfolding part? It will be this one, this one. So what kind of figure we have seen? There are only two triangles in the bottom part of the triangle. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be C. This will be our answer. Now again, what is the next question? See, if you want to solve this question without using paper, so you have to apply the logic of water image and mirror image. That means if you start unfolding this from the end, so first of all there will be a water image of 0. Here it will be 0, 0. It is unfolded. Now is in spite of this fold, there was no fold available, so that means only this part will available. So this will be our answer. But within practical, we'll see is it really working or not. We have taken a paper in the form of a square. First it says that first fold from the top. I have folded already. Now in the second part it says that fold from the bottom. It is also we have folded. Then there is a zero circle. We have put the circles in the middle, and after unfolding, if you unfolded this, so see, we can easily see what kind of figure we are getting. We are getting the figure which is related with C. So this will be our answer. Now come to the next part. Come to the next question. See, a circle is once twice it's folded, and in the end there is a design, maybe say that there is a mark of a triangle. So after unfolding, what kind of figure we'll get, we'll see that. Now see, this much not like a circular, but maybe circular. Okay, so I have taken this is a circle. Now first fold from the middle of the part. I have folded from the half of the circle. I have already folded, and this mark the triangle in the middle of that quarter circle. That means, okay, so if you mark the triangle in the middle, and if you unfold this circle in the form, what kind of figure will get? Will get like this. So easily we can say that what will be our answer? Our answer will be B. So this was all about in the chapter. You should try the remaining question. They are quite similar kind of questions, and damn easy. Just try it.